Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very specific design ideas, and these ideas are denim mask embroidery ideas. Friends, in my today's video you are going to see very easy to make simple, stylish and beautiful mask embroidery patterns, and they are very easily made on a unique concept that is on a denim fabric. Denim fabric looks extremely beautiful, exquisite, eye-catchy and highly trendy with your any type of outfits that you carry. And most of the designs are simply made using only one embroidery stitch. Mostly the embroidery stitch used is lazy daisy embroidery, because as you could see that the flowers are very small, mini, and the leaves and branches around them are also very small and mini. So mini embroidery patterns are very beautifully and exquisitely made with lazy daisy stitch. As you people could see that these are different colors of denim, ranging from different shades of blue to move towards lighter shade, to move toward darker shades, towards different shades of gray, to give you a very beautiful and a unique concept that how different shades of denim could be used, how denim embroidery ideas could be utilized, and how denim mask embroidery patterns could be made. This is a unique, stylish and creative design idea. Kindly do try these patterns and let us know in the comment section that how your experience went, and don't forget to comment below so that we could know about your choices of interest, your likes and dislikes, and what you want us to share with you. So with this, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves and stay blessed, stay happy and spread positivity, and kindly please take care of your health and make a habit of wearing mask. And then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much once again for watching my video.